In Creo 10, now it's possible to use the clear distance parameter in area turning to specify a distance where the plunge feed will be applied. Let's see an example. With a cut feed of 20, a plunge feed of 50, and the clear distance parameter set to 15 millimeters, in the CL data, we can see a rapid movement. Then, the tool will stop at the clear distance value, in this case 15 millimeters above the cut slice. This tool movement will be done at the defined plunge feed of 50. The movement will end at the point of the next slice in the area turning sequence, where it changes to the value of cut feed of 20. This enhancement provides a clear control over different portions of the toolpath. In this example, a rapid feed for approach, a plunge feed, and a cut feed to actually remove the material.